A journey that began more than a century ago unveils now a new chapter, with Bosch Fire Systems' first production line in India, set to produce some of the most advanced and innovative fire alarm solutions, the AVENAR fire detector. With India witnessing rapid infrastructure growth, major development projects are coming up all over the country, creating an ideal opportunity for Bosch Fire Systems to offer cutting-edge safety solutions across verticals. AVENAR fire detectors are equipped with multi-sensor capabilities and other innovative features that allow intelligent detection. This ensures a reliable and timely response to fires for optimal safety in diverse environments.
Establishing local production for fire alarm detectors and video cameras is a significant achievement for our company, which fills me with immense pride and satisfaction. Bosch's localization strategy not only demonstrates our commitment to serving the needs of our Indian partners, it also highlights our proactive approach in adapting to local requirements.
The production of AVENAR fire detectors in India also marks a new phase for Bosch, where it is not only enhancing its production capabilities and presence in India, but also delivering a huge impetus to the government's Make in India initiative.
Our robust manufacturing capabilities and skilled workforce ensure that the AVENAR detector provides highest degree of safety and reliability, also safeguarding lives and property.
AVENAR fire detectors go through a stringent and quality-conscious manufacturing process, which is in line with our Bosch's global manufacturing facilities. This covers the entire value stream from raw material sourcing up to finished goods to meet the globally renowned VDS standards.
My team has worked tirelessly to bring the AVENAR fire detector to life in India. We are proud of the fact that our active contributions have resulted in locally manufacturing the AVENAR fire detector.
Today, as Bosch broadens its localization drive, this strategic initiative will be instrumental in fulfilling the mission to provide reliable solutions in the region.